So I'm going to show you how to log out of WhatsApp using your Android phone. This is my WhatsApp account right now. Unfortunately, there's no actual button to log in and out of WhatsApp. You've either set up your account or you haven't. That's what we'll use as a sort of workaround for logging out of WhatsApp. So here's what you need to do. Go to your WhatsApp application and back up your data right now. To do that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, tap on Chats, and then tap on Chat Backup. Perform a backup of your chats now. Just make sure everything is backed up. Once your backup is complete, you can go ahead and log out of WhatsApp by going to your phone settings. On the Settings page, scroll down to Apps. Under Apps, look for WhatsApp. There it is, WhatsApp. Tap on it, then tap on Clear Data. This will erase all the WhatsApp data from your phone, which you've already backed up, so there's no need to worry. Once the data is cleared, you'll be logged out of WhatsApp.